Hey guys, Caleb Williams here from SSW, and I've just deployed my new blog site that's using Next.js and TinaCMS. So, for a little bit about SSW, we own TinaCMS. So, being an employee here, I spend a lot of time integrating it into our existing websites like ssw.com, and I've got a lot of hands-on experience working with it. But I wanted to use this Next.js site not only as an opportunity to write my own blog and try and help other people get their Tina CMS setups working correctly and try and optimize the editing experience for them, but I'm also using it as a staging ground to try and experiment with the product and create content and editing workflows with unbridled freedom where I don't need to worry about what stakeholders might be interested in when it comes to adding a new feature to the site or trying to make things that fits in with an existing code structure. So I'm mainly using it as a blogging engine right now. The live editing experience is very nice on it, so I've got a little bit of a preview of what my blog pages are going to look like before they go live, and I can just make changes very easily. Another thing that TinaCMS does very nicely is it exposes this GraphQL layer that you can use to query your content. And using that, I'm generating an RSS feed for the site. This XML looks a little bit confusing, but if you're not really sure what an RSS feed is, it's essentially this open standard where you can distribute content for your site and other people can be aware whenever you make updates. So it's used by apps like Feedly to hook into RSS feeds for news sites and blogs to give you a feed of which blogs have been posted so that you can stay up to date with your favorite blogs and things like that without having to go back to the website and repeatedly scroll F5 and look for new blogs. Now, moving on to the deployment side, I didn't really do much. I haven't really done a lot of fancy stuff on the deployment side. I'm using Vercel for deployments. So it gives you free deployments. Granted, you do need to register a domain name yourself, and I've just done that using GoDaddy and mapped my domain to my Vercel app. You do have to pay a little bit when your Vercel app starts to scale, but I'm still on the free tier right now. And I'm just doing deployments using Vercel whenever I make changes to the main branch of my blog site. So whenever I push a blog, it automatically gets updated on my website. So yeah, that's my blog site that I built using Next.js and Tina. I'm proud to be part of the herd, and hopefully by sharing a lot of blog posts and informing people of how they can do things based on my own experience, I can improve the editing experience for Tina CMS overall. Thanks.